It is no secret that words have tremendous power. Words carry the majority of our conversation. They are not just mere words, but a psalm that shatters every barrier in your path. It's a pathway where prosperity surges into your life, a breathtaking journey awaiting your embrace. Get ready, for you're about to soar on the wave of abundance like never before. But first, ask yourself, are you prepared to revolutionize your life? Can you welcome the exhilarating rush of prosperity eagerly knocking on your door? If your answer echoes a resounding yes, then this video is your beacon. Words are powerful because thoughts have creative power. Words have energy and can give life to our dreams, desires, thoughts, whatever you want. That's why it's so important what we say to create the life that we're looking for, as well as deal with obstacles on our path. It's a guide through this transformative journey, a promise to unveil the secrets of unleashing boundless prosperity into your world. Watch until the very end and immerse yourself in the transformation awaiting you. This isn't just an invitation, it's your key to unlock a life overflowing with abundance. When people encounter the Bible, they often peg it as a religious handbook. But here's the thing, it's not just a guide for religion's sake. I want you to see it differently. It's a life guide, an entrepreneurial playbook, a roadmap for achievement. It's a manual that unveils the art of fulfillment and manifesting desires, a blueprint for the metaphysical. Have you delved into the Bible's discussions about the power of words? Take Genesis, for instance. It's not just about God creating the world. It's a profound illustration of how we craft our realities. In those pages, it's all about understanding how the words we speak shape the worlds we inhabit. It's a revelation of the incredible ability we possess to shape our existence through the power of our words. The Bible, in essence, is an ancient treasure trove revealing the secrets of how we create and navigate our realities. When God created the world, it all began with words saying, "Let there be light," and commanding the emergence of life. But why is this word so pivotal? It's because when you utter a word, you're giving life to a thought made audible. Understanding this power is crucial because, as we comprehend, the universe is rooted in the mental realm. Your thoughts materialize because they carry vibrations that resonate. These vibrations create an electromagnetic field, drawing in similar energies and setting a harmonious pattern in motion. Everything around you, from the tiniest particle to the vast cosmos, is a symphony of these electromagnetic fields pulsating in unison, a dance guided by the principle of vibration. Imagine yourself as an orchestrator, crafting your reality with every word and thought. Each uttered word isn't merely sound. It's a force shaping the world you experience. Embrace this understanding, and you'll wield the incredible power to mold your existence through the resonance of your thoughts and words. Your words are more than mere expressions. They're vibrations that resonate within you and ripple outward to the universe. When you speak, your cells respond to this energetic language, sending waves of your truth into the cosmos. It's not just sound, it's a cosmic force echoing the sentiments of ancient wisdom. Consider the words attributed to Jesus of Nazareth. In the Bible, belief shapes reality, and as you speak, so does your universe listen and respond. Imagine, as you verbalize your desires, your body and the universe synchronize in resonance. Place your hand on your heart and articulate your aspirations. I am a magnet for prosperity, wealth, and abundance. My life is filled with opportunities that are just waiting for me to reach out and grab them. Feel the resonance, the palpable vibration that emanates from within, filling every inch of your being. It's not merely speaking. It's a harmonious symphony between your intention and the universe's response. In this dialogue between self and universe, each word you utter becomes a seed, planting itself in the fabric of existence. Every cell in your body aligns, resonating with the energy of your spoken desires, creating a powerful magnetism that draws your intentions closer to reality. When you speak aloud, merging your words with thoughts, you wield a potent instrument capable of reshaping your reality and drawing your desires closer. This isn't just a modern revelation, but a timeless practice across cultures. Consider the Tibetan monks and their profound use of mantras and chant tools meticulously crafted to evoke specific vibrations. Author Gregg Braden is on his journey to unravel the essence of prayer with these monks. He discovered their chants and mantras weren't the prayer itself. Instead, they served as gateways to generate the true prayer, the feeling and vibration. As they chanted, they revealed that the essence of prayer lies beyond mere words. It's the energy, the emotion, and the resonance created by those chants. It's a revelation that transcends language, inviting you to explore the depth of your vibrations and emotions when you voice your intentions. Ancient teachings from Enoch and Hermes Trismegistus echo the idea that the external reflects the internal. It's the harmony of similar vibrations that draws things together. Wealth resonates with wealth, just as poverty attracts poverty. Surrounding yourself with those you aspire to be like shapes your essence in crucial areas of life, health, wealth, and love. As Einstein remarked, true understanding involves explaining complex concepts simply. Verify your understanding by teaching your grandmother, ensuring clarity. Successful individuals commit to an idea, holding steadfast, while those facing challenges tend to waver, consumed by doubts and uncertainties. Repeat it daily. Let it become a mantra etched into your mind until it flows effortlessly. As you do, watch how your vibration transforms, unlocking pathways to abundance, prosperity, and wealth in your life. The psalm resonates. Blessed is the one who avoids the counsel of the wicked, who doesn't walk among sinners or sit with scoffers. Instead, finding joy in the teachings of the Lord, meditating on them day and night. Like a tree planted by streams of water, it bears fruit in due season, never withering. In all endeavors, prosperity abounds. Conversely, the wicked are like chaff scattered by the wind. Immerse yourself in these words, let them seep into your being. Embrace the guidance to steer clear of negativity and find solace in divine teachings. Picture yourself as that steadfast tree, thriving by the waterside, continually fruitful. It's a powerful message, a blueprint for a life brimming with abundance and unwavering prosperity, shaping your thoughts and actions toward enduring success. It's about conditioning yourself. Blessed is the one who avoids the counsel of the wicked. Simply put, don't lend an ear to those who insist on limiting your potential, preaching impossibility, or advocating infidelity. Reject their counsel. Instead, see yourself as the tree that was planted by streams of water, an analogy for being continually nourished and renewed. You will stay hydrated with happiness and nourished with intelligence if you avoid negative influences and choose your route wisely. The message is clear. Follow the instructions to protect yourself from negative influences and ensure your growth is not impeded. The importance of understanding life's principles. What you give, you receive, and what you sow, you reap. Your emitted vibration shapes what you attract. Stay positive, be guided by wisdom, and avoid pathways that lead to repeated blunders. You'll thrive in a helpful and nurturing environment, just like that stalwart tree. It might seem unconventional, but these enduring principles have guided people for ages, yielding success. Embrace and apply these teachings in your life, transforming your vibration and consequently attracting a different reality. As crazy as it may seem, millennia have attested to the efficacy of these principles in shaping lives.